Blue iguana, so I'll let your boy people, you ain't never seen a blue iguana before. Right, you got the blue iguana babies? You just showing off, that's it. I'm just gonna show off the most beautiful reptile I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. And then he got ball pythons for sale and other things, so I'll let your boy. Oh my God, what is that? The black dragon, right? Amazing, people. Holla at your boy. Oh man, we definitely gotta get one of these days. All right, we got a lot more to check it out, right? Let's go check out some other places. Holla at your boy, people. Oh snap! We made it over here to Josh's Frogs, right? I'm not sure. Is this Josh, right? We definitely got his frogs over here. Snap, we got a lot of different frogs at this booth, so let's go move around and see the rest of the stuff he got.
Yeah. Now, are they the ones that, like, if the tail were to have any damage and it falls off the front?
Right, we don't want to see no bugs, right? Not too much of the bugs. But let's go ahead and go check out some more of the reptiles they got going on. What's going on?
Hey, with Moss Family Adventures, y'all come out. Reptilian Nation.
All right. What type of snake is that?
This is a carpet python. They're from Australia. So these are all captive raised. Can't import them anymore. And yeah.
Where's his head at? Somewhere around. Oh my God.
Right there.
Amazing. All right, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You have a great day.
All right. All right. We got plenty of the things to see. All right, we made it over here. What you got? What we got? We got
a whole bunch of stuff.
We got monitors and stuff.
Sure do.
What type of monitors, right? We got.
These are blue iguanas, red iguanas, green iguanas. These are black throat monitors and black roughneck monitors.
Oh, so the neck's kind of different on it or something.
Yep.
What is that?
That's a Calabar python. We don't get a lot of these in.
Where's his head at? Oh, so that is his head on it.
His head's right there. His tail's right here.
That is an interesting looking snake. I ain't never seen nothing that looked like that.
Yeah. Pop him out for you.
Oh, snap. About to take it out. We even had one snake jumped out on us already. Oh, snap. All right, people, you seen it first, people. You like what you're seeing, hit that like button, people. You already know where we at. All right, man, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Dad, we found the S&S table.
For sale, but yeah, these are holdbacks for future breeding projects.
Oh, so you just came here just to show off?
Just these here, yeah.
Just to show off?
Yeah, I figured I had to bring some spiders. We got it as a logo. I didn't have any last time, so.
You have any albino?
I do.
Reddish
I got
sliders?
more over here. I got one albino left.
What is this?
These are the Florida snapping turtles.
The common snapper turtle.
They're separate. They're different subspecies. They have a little bit more of a spiky neck, and they are a little lighter in coloration. Other than that, they get as big.
Where them albino things at?
Down here. Actually, I have them separated. So we got temp sex. So these are all males. These are females. They were incubated. Female. I don't think there's an albino male. There's one albino female left. She's right here. She goes.
All right, people, you like them albino reddish sliders, people, we got them for you. You already know this guy got the best setters out there.
Snows and caramels, actually.
Oh, snap. I believe we will arrive at S&S Exotic Animals over here, where they got all different type of exclusive animals and reptiles.
Yeah, so
Oh, we know this guy.
This one is younger.
Yeah.
So she would, like, when they sent.
All right.
What's up, my boy?
What's going on?
What's going on?
We live on TikTok right now.
That's right.
Yeah.
Here's your.
Right, you got to put it on.
This one
It don't even matter. Either one.
Gotta make you official, man. Gotta make you official.
She said, "You gotta make me official." The lady was like, "Oh, since you said that," she said, "I'll just bring you to the door."
Right.
And she said, "I said, do I come back?" She was like, "Nah, you go." She thought I just looked so good. She's gonna get me past the door
Right,
regardless.
You're gonna get me in trouble because your brother wants one.
Oh, he don't need to have one.
I'm gonna have to go try to get some more.
Yeah, but it does. Oh snap! You know I gotta get the snakes.
I know it's sad, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys.
All right, let's go check out some more stuff. Holla at your boy, people.